Okay students, let's discuss our next topic, that is addition, manures and fertilizers. Like our body, like in our body, for the growth we needs the proteins and vitamins. In the same way the plants also needs to grow, and for that they needs the nutrients. Okay, so the substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called the manures and fertilizers. Okay, now when the farmers grow the crop after and in the same field, so what happens? The field never left uncultivated. So imagine what would happen. So the when the continuous cultivation of the crops makes the soil poor in the nutrients. Therefore, the farmers have to add manures to the field to replenish the soil with the nutrients, and this process is called the manuring. Okay, so improper or insufficient manuring result in the weak plants. Now, what are manures? Manure is an organic matter. Manure are the organic substances obtained from the decomposition of plants and animal waste. Okay. Now let us discuss what are fertilizers. Okay. Fertilizers are the chemicals which are rich in the particular nutrients, but they are made in the factories. Some of the examples of the fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. The use of fertilizer help the farmers to get the better yield of the crops, but what happens is that they makes the soil less fertile. Excessive use of fertilizers makes the soil less fertile. So in order to replenish it, we mostly use the manures. Okay, now let us discuss that what is the crop rotation. Okay, crop rotation, the alternatively growing of the crops is known as crop rotation. For example, in the one season I used to grow the wheat, and in the next season I will grow the paddy. That is the rotation of the crops. So the soil get replenished with the nutrients. Okay, now let us discuss the advantages of manures. Okay, so what are the advantages of manures? That it enhance the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of the gases becomes easy, and it also increase the number of microbes. Okay, so microbes help in producing the manures. It also improves the texture of the soil. Now let us discuss what are the difference between the fertilizers and manures. Fertilizer is man-made inorganic salt, whereas manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residues. Next is fertilizers is prepared in the factories. Manures can be prepared in the field. Fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil, whereas manures provide a lot of humus to the soil. Next is fertilizers are very rich in the plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manures is relatively less rich in the plant nutrients, but they are used morely because they are good in the humus holding capacity.